I went out to gather mugwort, since mugwort known for its health benefits. I cooked some as a side dish, and took a closer look at the rest under a microscope. It was fascinating. To the naked eye, mugwort is just another green plant growing wild along hillsides, rivers, and garden edges. But under the microscope, it becomes something entirely different. A hidden world, rich in structure, color, and complexity, is suddenly revealed. What you're seeing here is a magnified view of a single mugwort leaf. The first thing you notice is the intense green, almost glowing under the light. This is chlorophyll, the pigment that powers photosynthesis. The leaf surface is covered in thousands of tightly packed plant cells, each one acting like a tiny solar panel, converting sunlight into energy the plant can use. These cells aren't just sitting there. They're alive, constantly exchanging gases, producing sugars, and regulating water through microscopic pores called stomata. If you look closely, you can see faint branching lines running across the surface. These are leaf veins, responsible for transporting water and nutrients throughout the tissue. Under magnification, they resemble highways connecting microscopic neighborhoods. And the cells themselves? They shine with texture and depth, their walls shimmering like glass. Their contents a mix of chloroplasts and other organelles working tirelessly to keep the plant alive. But there's more. The fine white hairs on the underside of the leaf, visible here as translucent projections, are called trichomes. These structures help protect the plant from herbivores, regulate temperature, and sometimes even release aromatic oils. In mugwort, these oils are biologically active, containing compounds such as cineol and artemisinin, which give the plant its distinctive scent and therapeutic properties. In traditional medicine, mugwort has been used for centuries, especially in East Asia and Europe. Its leaves have been brewed into teas, burned for moxibustion, and applied topically to ease pain. But now, as we examine it through the lens of science, we begin to understand why. Modern studies show that mugwort contains flavonoids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory agents, making it not only a folk remedy, but a legitimate subject of pharmacological research. And under the microscope, we can literally see the biological machinery that produces these effects. Cells filled with chloroplasts, trichomes packed with oils, and vascular systems humming with flow. It's not just beautiful, it's functional. This magnified landscape, though only a fraction of a millimeter thick, is a snapshot of life at its most efficient.